Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, in the northern Somalia region, we remain appalled by and condemn the aggression against the people of Laas, which have caused immeasurable human suffering, loss of life, and large civilian displacement. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has called to put an immediate end to the hostilities and to negotiate a lasting ceasefire. Federal government of Somalia stands ready to create the condition for the start of an inclusive Somali-owned national dialogue to resolve the conflict and thus creating the foundation for peace, stability throughout the country. Federal government of Somalia, it underlines its duty to protect the Somali population and the responsibility to continue to provide substantial ongoing humanitarian support to those affected by the conflict in Laas, in particular to the women and children. We call our international partners to assist and immediately providing for safe, rapid, and unimpeded humanitarian access and make enabling humanitarian aid to be delivered to Laas and Sol region population. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, what's happening in Laas today is a crime against humanity and is against the value of the Somali people. In that regard, there can be no impunity of such crimes of indiscriminate attack on civilians and civilian infrastructures. Furthermore, the federal government of Somalia is committed to investigate and hold the perpetrators accountable. I thank you, Madam President.